So as this is yes. So children, this is your math period and we are going to learn numbers from 151 to 200. Numbers from 151 to 200. We already finished in our previous class. Today this is a questioning time. I am going to ask you all question. Now all the children mute your button first. All the children mute your button, fold your hand. I'm going to watch everyone now. Today I'm going to watch everyone. Good morning. Now please mute your button. 151 number to 200. We discussed in our last class. Yes? Now I'm going to ask whether you understood this or not. And I'm going to write one number. You have to say what number I wrote on the board. Okay? Are you all ready? So now your time starts. First name is Sudiksha. Sudiksha. Which number is this, Sudiksha? Can you see the board clearly? Now say, which, you are in mute dear? You are in mute. I can't hear you. Yes, unmute your button. Now say, Sudiksha, which number is this? Don't look here and there. Say, what is this number? When one number we will write, what we have to say? Here three numbers are there. Okay, here three numbers are there. Then what number we should say? 100. Now what is the first number? 1. So we will say 100. These two you have to say together. What is this number? 53? Say, Sudiksha. Yes. So what we have to say? 153. 153. Why we are saying 100? Because count the numbers 1, 2, 3. Here three numbers are there. Whenever there are three numbers, we have to say 100. Now here what is the first number? 1. So 153. Yes, who is there? Children, mute your button fast. Now next child is Nived. 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 Where are you seeing Nived? I'm calling your name. Yes. So Nived. What is this number, Nived? Read this number. Very good. 164. Excellent, Nived. Very, very good. Now Rayan. Rayan. From whom I am getting the voice? I am getting few voice there. From whom I am getting the voice? Yes. Now Rayan, your number is. What is this, Rayan? Who is talking here? Who is not listening to me? Please mute the button. Hemal, mute the button. Sudiksha, mute the button. I'm not calling you all. Only Rayan Ahmed I called. So his button should be in mute. Rayan Ahmed, which number is this? You are in mute, Rayan. I can't hear you. Rayan, I can't hear you. 171. Very, very good. 171. Now next is Reshmi Mohan. Reshmi. Reshmi. Which number is this? Which number is this? Reshmi, which number is that? Reshmi, what is this number? What is this number on the board? When one number is there, what we will say? 100. Reshmi, 180. 180. How you are going to say? 180. Now mute your button. Ritik Misala. Yes. Children, I request you all to please mute your button. Now, okay. Now Ritik, unmute your button, Ritik. Now say which number is this? Loudly. Is this 52? Then what is this number? 163 or 53? Yes, 153. Srinika. Pass, Srinika. Which number is this, Srinika? Very good. 161. Children, once I asked you question, mute your button immediately. Okay, very good. Saryu? Saryu? Saryu, which number is this? No, how you have to say? See, when we are writing number one, yes, when we are writing number one, say 100. And this 7 and 5 together, 75. 175. Okay, very, very good. 175. Okay, so now children, just give me a second. From outside, there is lot of disturbance. Okay, children. Okay, I'm using my headphone because from outside there is a lot of disturbance. Okay, so very good, Saryu. Now next is Nandini. 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 Now, okay, Nandini, tell me which number is this? Very good, 182. Now next is Kasvi. Kasvi, which number is this? Which number is this? 74? Yes, then 100. Very good, 174. Okay, I'm doing recording, so some of the children for recording it will not come as I'm using the headphone because outside because of the election there is a lot of disturbance. Now next is Vishrut. Vishrut, whose button is still not in mute? Hemal, why your button is not in mute? So children, until and unless I'll ask you, you should not keep your button in mute or unmute. Okay. Now it's Vishrut turn. Vishrut. Vishrut is not there. Only I can see Vishrut house there. Vishrut, where are you? Vishrut, are you there? Okay. So Vishrut, which number is this, Vishrut? Vishrut, what is this number, child? What is this number? 100 and? Okay, Vishrut, mood is not there, I think. Okay, no problem. So we'll move to Samiksha. Samiksha, which number is this? Very good. 153. Very, very good. Now next is Nikhil. Nikhil. What is this number, Nikhil? Very good. 167. Now Venkat Krishna. Venkat Krishna. Which number is this? Venkat, what is this number? 100 and? No, 72 is 72. Yes, 172. Now mute your button. Now Chetan Srikar. Chetan. What is this number, Chetan? Very good. Preksha. What is this number? Preksha. Very good. Satya Mokshit. What is this number? Very good. Adya, what is this number? Adya, what is this number? 198. Very good. Nikhil, sorry, Nihal. Nihal, what is this number? Super. Very, very good. Now I'll ask another set of children. So next is Hemal. Hemal, which number is this, Hemal? Is this 100? No. Here only 3 number is there. So 100. But what is the first number? Hemal, what is the first number? Hemal, tell me this number. 200. Yes, 200, 200. Okay, now mute your button. Now Nishchula. Nishchula. What is this number? Okay, children, still you are getting some voice or now it's okay? Children, now is it okay? Are you still getting some voice? Okay. Okay, okay. Now next is Jagrav. Jagrav. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so now Jagrav Mukherjee, what is this number? Jagrav, tell me fast. Very good. 186. Now Sudhishwar. Sudhishwar. Which number is this, Sudhishwar? Okay, Jagrav, your turn is over. Now mute your button. Now Sudhishwar. Very good. 172. Avyuk. Avyuk. Which number is that, Avyuk? Avyuk. Very good. Arush. Very good. Arush. 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 Is there any problem? Yes. Very good. 166. Okay, now did I Jasvi? Jasvi? Jasvi, which number is there? Jasvi, what is it? Very good. Now next is Kanvika. 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 What is this number, Kanvika? Very good. Mute your button. Ananya. Ananya. What is this number? Very good. Chetan Srikar. Chetan. Chetan, you are in mute. Unmute. Yes, say. Very good. Now next is Mohammed Saqib. Mohammed Saqib, are you there? Saqib, are you there? Okay, children, please mute your. Saqib, are you there? Okay, Saqib, I can't see you. Where are you? Can you please switch on your camera? I can't see you. Yes, now I can see you, dear. So now I'm going to ask from Saqib and he has to tell me what number is that. Saqib, can you read which number is this? Say, what is this number? One. Very good. 100. When number 1 I'm right, you have to say 100. And this two number you have to say together. Very, very good, Saqib. 152. Very good. Now, I will move to another child, John. John Sanab. John. John, which number is this? Loudly. Yes, John, what is this number? No, 63. 63. Yes, 100 you said correct. But this you have to say together. 63. Okay? John, very good. 163. Manvik. 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 Manvik, what is this number? Children, I should not get a voice. Only Manvik button should be on. Manvik, what is this? 100 and fast. I should ask from other children also. Manvik, 106. Yes, 164. Very good. Shayan. Shayan. What is this number, Shayan? Very good. Excellent. Satya. Satya. What is this number? Loudly. 100 and? Satya, I'm not getting. Okay. Satya, I can't hear you. Now only one more question from Nandini. Only one more question from Nandini. Nandini, Nandini, what is this number, Nandini? Who is calling mummy here? Hemal, you mute your button, Hemal. So Nandini, do it fast, Nandini. Other children are waiting for their chance. What is 90? Yes. Now next is Ricky Jason. Nandini, you are not attentive in the class, and afterward when I am calling other children, you are asking, I am not asking to you. When I am asking you, you are taking so much time. Listen to it. Fold your hand properly and listen. I am seeing that you are playing here and there. Now next is Ricky Jason. Ricky, very good. 163. Okay. Very good, Ricky. So, did I left any child? Is there any child whom I did not ask? Is there any child whom I did not ask? You can say to me, is there any child whom I did not ask any question? Who is that? Who is that? Punarvika? Punarvika. Okay, Punarvika, I already asked you. Okay, one more time you tell me what is this? No, 100. First say 100. Only Punarvika. Why other buttons are unmute? Yes, 174. Very good. Now mute your button. Now, is there any child whom I did not ask? Who? Kavya. Kavya, I left you. How can I left you, Kavya? Okay, Kavya, tell me which number is this? What is this number, Kavya? Kavya, where are you? You are in mute, I think. 100 and? Yes, 193. Very good, children. So, children, now every one of you mute your button fast. Now, I will check how many of you are listening to me. How many of you are listening to me? So, today, I know that mostly all the children, they can identify the number, which is very, very important. Right? Seeing and writing number, anyone can do. Even a nursery child can see the number and can write. But identifying the number is very important. You should identify the number. Now today your work is you have to open your notebook and you are going to write 151 to 200 one time in your notebook. What you have to do? You have to write 151